In a new development, the Osun State Governor Adeleke has cast his vote in the ongoing local government election in the state. The governor voted around 7:56 a.m. at Unit 9, Shagba, Abogunde Ward 2, in Eden North local government area of the state. The governor arrived at the polling unit in company of his supporters and some members of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Adeleke commended the State Independent Electoral Commission for the peaceful process in the conduct of the election and advised residents to go out and cast their votes without any fear of intimidation, urging political stakeholders and electorate to shun violence during and after the election. Adeleke expressed confidence that all PDP candidates would emerge victorious in the elections. Adeleke further assured residents
they should come out peacefully and vote and go back peacefully too. There should be no problem. We should not give them or any chance to say that there's violence. Say there's violence. I don't want that because we are peaceful people.
It's worth noting that the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, gave a piece of advice to Adeleke to halt the election process. In spite of the AGF's advice, Adeleke promised that the election will hold. We'll continue to monitor this story for more new development. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.